Welcome to Space Quiz. Test your knowledge with 50 exciting questions, covering topics like biology, chemistry, and the human body. Hit like to boost your memory and stay until the end for the surprise question. Comment your score and challenge your friends. Ready? Let's begin. What is the main function of the digestive system? Pumping blood throughout the body, absorbing nutrients from food, or controlling voluntary movements? Absorbing nutrients from food. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine? Heart, kidney, or lung? Kidney. The heart is part of which system? Digestive, circulatory, or respiratory? Circulatory. What is the primary function of the lungs? Pumping blood, absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, or producing hormones? Absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. The brain is part of which system? Nervous, digestive, or excretory? Nervous. How many bones are in the human skeleton? 206, 500, or 100? (206). What is the main function of the respiratory system? Transporting nutrients, providing oxygen to the body, or producing defense cells? Providing oxygen to the body. Blood is pumped by the heart through bones, blood vessels, arteries and veins, or nerves? Blood vessels, arteries and veins. The stomach plays a role in digestion, respiration, or temperature control. Digestion. The spinal column protects the brain, the spinal cord, or the lungs? The spinal cord. What is the main nutrient that provides energy for the human body? Carbohydrates, proteins, or vitamins? Carbohydrates. Which mineral is essential for bone formation? Phosphorus, calcium, or iron? Calcium. Lack of iron in the diet can cause anemia, rickets, or scurvy. Anemia. Excessive consumption of fats can have no effect on health, increase the risk of heart diseases, or strengthen the immune system. Increase the risk of heart diseases. The immune system works to defend the body against infections, produce growth hormones, or digest proteins. Defend the body against infections. Vaccination helps to heal bone fractures, weaken the body, or prevent infectious diseases. Prevent infectious diseases. Personal hygiene, bathing, brushing teeth, contributes to increased blood pressure, disease prevention, or reduced immunity. Disease prevention. Which organ produces bile, a substance that aids in fat digestion? Stomach, liver, or spleen? Liver. The small intestine is primarily responsible for absorbing nutrients, filtering blood, or controlling heart rate. Absorbing nutrients. The locomotor system consists of bones and muscles, skin and hair, or heart and lungs. Bones and muscles. The skin is the largest organ in the human body and its function is protection against external agents, photosynthesis, or pumping blood. Protection against external agents. The brain controls only involuntary movements, both voluntary and involuntary functions, or only blood circulation. Both voluntary and involuntary functions. The peripheral nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord, nerves that branch throughout the body, or lungs and heart. Nerves that branch throughout the body. What structure protects the lungs and heart? Rib cage, spinal column, or pelvis? Rib cage. Consuming fruits and vegetables is important because they provide energy only. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, or they contain no useful nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The oxygen-rich blood circulates mainly through veins, arteries, or bones. Arteries. Which disease is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito? Tuberculosis, dengue, or rabies? Dengue. The female reproductive system includes uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes, testes and seminal vesicles, or prostate and penis. Uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. Menopause is a phase in which women stop producing eggs and menstruation ceases, men reduce sperm production, or children enter puberty. Women stop producing eggs and menstruation ceases. Smoking, cigarettes, can cause problems like improved immune system, respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, or increased lung capacity. Respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Excessive alcohol consumption primarily affects the liver and nervous system, bones and teeth, or red blood cells. The liver and nervous system. Saliva helps in chewing and initiating carbohydrate digestion, pumping blood, or filtering toxic residues. Chewing and initiating carbohydrate digestion. When experiencing high fever, the body is colder than usual, normal without changes, or above 37.5 degrees Celsius, indicating an immune response. Above 37.5 degrees Celsius, indicating an immune response. The kidneys send urine to the bladder through the large intestine, the ureters, or the trachea. The ureters. The pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, controls sleep, or adjusts body temperature. Regulates blood sugar levels. The thyroid gland is related to metabolic rate regulation, immune cell production, or glucose storage. Metabolic rate regulation. Muscle contraction occurs due to the interaction of bones and blood, actin and myosin, or collagen and elastin. Actin and myosin. The lymphatic system helps in gas circulation, immune defense and fluid drainage, or bile production. Immune defense and fluid drainage. Pulmonary respiration occurs in only the bronchi, the alveoli, gas exchange, or the muscles. The alveoli, gas exchange. What is a cavity tooth decay? A bacterial infection in the tooth causing decay, a stomach disorder, or a chronic respiratory disease. A bacterial infection in the tooth causing decay. Anemia can be caused by a deficiency of fiber in the diet, iron and/or vitamin B12, or water. Iron and/or vitamin B12. The integumentary system includes skin, hair, nails, and sweat glands, bones and muscles, or eyes and ears. skin, hair, nails, and sweat glands. The natural aging process involves unlimited muscle cell growth, gradual reduction in cell renewal, or accelerated bone growth. Gradual reduction in cell renewal. The flu is caused by bacteria, fungi, or viruses. Viruses. Diseases such as chickenpox, measles, and polio can be prevented by physical exercise, vaccination, or drinking contaminated water. Vaccination. What is the importance of warming up before exercising? It has no importance. It prevents injuries and prepares the body, or it decreases resting heart rate. It prevents injuries and prepares the body. Which system is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients to cells? Circulatory, digestive, or reproductive? Circulatory. Obesity can result from lack of nutrients and calories, excess calorie intake and sedentary lifestyle, or excessive water consumption. Excess calorie intake and sedentary lifestyle. Type 1 diabetes occurs when the pancreas does not produce insulin properly, the person drinks little water, or the thyroid gland is overactive. The pancreas does not produce insulin properly. High blood pressure, hypertension, can have no health risks, increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, or improve nutrient circulation. Increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Thank you, and see you next time.